back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing. So we're doing an unboxing on Hella Space Unicorn. He's going to space today. Now let's do it. Let's unbox him. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this. Okay. It looks cool. It looks cool. So this is what it looks like. Guys, if you're wondering, it comes with the charger. So that probably means you have to charge it. Alright, here's the beautifulest unicorn you guys have ever seen. And his beautiful hair. Alright, so it comes with the charger, so that means you have to charge it. So see you guys when it's fully charged. So guys, it's been 1 hour. I've been waiting so long to play with this guy. And it's finally time. So, we have to flick the switch. That scares me. Okay. Oh, don't go that way, okay? Oh, no. Alright. Ah! Don't go that way, please. No. So, it's cool. No. Hold on. I have to off it on it. It's scary. Okay. Alright, it's cool. Wow, he's going to space. Oh, no, don't go. No, please. Be careful. Don't be bad. He's going up. Okay, this way, buddy. This way. You're going the wrong way. No, why is he going this way? Alright, perfect. Oh my god. Alright.
Get the blue.
Now. Y'all, can you all subscribe to our channel and like and comment down below what you want to see next. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.